The Bicol University family stands in solidarity with our brothers and sisters from Mindanao State University, particularly the victims and the bereaved families of the Marawi bombing that was blatantly perpetrated at the heart of an inclusive higher education institution. We are extending our most profound condolences and heartfelt prayers to everyone affected by this recent atrocious attack on innocent civilians, celebrating their faith in what would have been a most solemn welcome to the Advent season, celebrated by our Christian brothers and sisters. That this tragic bombing has to happen inside a higher education institution during a religious celebration is a direct breach into our safe spaces and an assault into our sanctuaries of higher learning. We join the MSU family in strongly denouncing violence in all forms and in any attacks on civilians and the general public. We also adhere to the statement released by the Catholic Bishop Conference of the Philippines that such violence should not only be denounced, it should also be renounced as a way of seeking redress by every peace-loving Filipino. We will be offering prayers in all our interfaith celebrations in our campuses, particularly during our annual pre-aguinaldo masses, for the eternal repose of the souls of the victims, healing for those injured and recovering, and comfort and security to all whose heart and peace of mind have been threatened by this latest senseless and violent act. I invite all other faith-based groups, especially in Bicol University, to do the same as we pray that justice may be served and those responsible be held accountable for the tragic consequences of the MSU Marawi bombing incident. To my Bicol University family, let us remain vigilant as we continue to advocate for peace and justice in an inclusive and safe society as a university for humanity. Diyos Mabalos.